Hello and welcome to Builderoo TV. This is Vanessa coming from the PCBC conference in San Francisco 2009, and I'm here talking with Ted from Milgard Windows, and we're going to talk a little bit about his company and sustainability. So Ted, how you doing?
I'm doing wonderful, Vanessa.
Very nice, very good. Yeah. Tell me a little bit about Milgard.
Well, Milgard is a leader in vinyl and fiberglass and aluminum windows manufacturer based out of Tacoma, Washington, serving the United States.
All 50 states in the United States. So you could get the Milgard product anywhere in the United States.
Well, we're primarily a West Coast company. We do have a plant in Chicago, and I work out of the Denver plant covering parts of the Midwest, but it's heavy in the West.
So go to the website to find out a little bit more about where you're located.
Exactly.
Okay. So very nice. Well, tell me a little bit about your Energy Star energy efficient windows.
Well, our Tuscany series of windows, our top-of-the-line window, is designed to meet all aspects of remodel or new construction. And our Tuscany window, standard window, meets Energy Star and all the configurations. So this meets all of the Energy Star requirements nationwide. Okay.
So you'd get Energy Star. Do you get a tax rebate with this? What do you get with this?
Well, the tax stimulus bill signed in February has some different dimensions to it, and I'll explain to you which windows meet those as we talk about the complete line. This window, as it stands here today, meets Energy Star requirements, but those have been enhanced recently by the tax stimulus bill, which our windows do meet that, and that'll be the next window we talk about in just a minute.
Okay. So what's so great about this window? Is it's more efficient? You save on heating bills? How does that work?
Well, as I said earlier, this is an Energy Star rated window. So this window has low E coatings in it on the glass and an innovative lock as well. And this window is engineered and designed to meet Energy Star in our complete line. Okay. And as those building requirements and the energy requirements are going to get more rigid and more aggressive throughout the country, our other series of windows are also designed to meet those standards throughout the country.
So this is the good. The Energy Star meets your Energy Star, the Energy Star requirements.
That's correct.
And then we go to the better, which is a little bit better than what Energy Star requires. So why don't you tell me a little bit about...
So we've tried to simplify it for everybody, and what we've done is came up with our 3D system. And our 3D system and our glass pack and our window series takes all the guesswork out for the consumer, the contractor, and we just make it a simplified system. So we know that this is going to be a 10% better in performance, and also will save you some energy in your home and be a much more efficient window. Okay, so this is the better window over this, so it increases performance over Energy Star, and it makes it real easy because we do it all for you. You just simply say, I want the Tuscany window with a 3D package, and we're going to customize that for the regions around the United States.
So this, you're going to have a little bit better performance, lower heating costs, all that kind of stuff.
Exactly.
How does it work with noise? How about the noise level? Does it filter out any noise at all, or is it just mostly for energy efficiency?
That is an added benefit. Anybody that's going to put a Milgard window in it, since it's so well designed, we find out that all of our consumers, all of our customers come back to us and say it really has suppressed a lot of the noise, much quieter and a much more comfortable living environment. We don't really measure that with this series of windows, and that is not part of the energy enhancement, but it is an added benefit.
Okay, great. So we've gone to the Energy Star, the basic package, and then we've gone to better, so now we're going to move to the best. So tell me, Ted, a little bit about this window that we have here, the 3D Max.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about this.
I will. This is probably the most exciting part of this, because this window does meet the tax energy stimulus package signed in February. So this meets 3030, we call it, and it's a national standard. And again, we've simplified it for the contractor, the consumer, the builder, and this window, ordering 3D Max, depending on what part of the country you're in, different things that we automatically build into it. But this window hits this tax energy stimulus, and it gets you the $1,500 rebate. So it's very, very important. And you just know, for the consumers and the builders and the developers, that 3D Max hits that.
So 3D Max is definitely the best bet. You're going to get the most as energy efficiency, as well as that tax rebate, which is actually very important for everyone at the moment. So I see that you have all of these in white. Do they come in different colors, or?
Yeah, our vinyl's manufactured in both white and in tan.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So you get the white and the tan option, and then is it only opening up and down? Do you have other options with?
We have tons of different configurations and styles and sizes to fit any application. So we have all different types of styles. And by the way, this 3030 is met throughout the line of our windows, all the different configurations and sizes. Again, we've just tried to keep it simple. The tax energy rebate can be complicated for some, so here at Milgard, you just rely on us experts. Tell us you want the 3D Max system and the window that meets the tax energy, no matter the size or the shape or the style, and we'll put you into that.
So very nice. So is Milgard as a company, are they kind of moving towards the more energy efficient and sustainable realm and market for all of their products, or are you just kind of focusing on windows for the moment?
Well, sustainable and green is something that we're all about. So we're always are focused on getting our windows to meet the requirements nationally, regionally, and each municipality. So we're very attuned to that, and we're very sensitive to that.
Great. Okay. So tell our viewers where they would go to find out a little bit more information. Do you guys have a website where you have all the styles, colors, all that kind of stuff?
Yeah, we have a new and improved website, so we encourage you to go to milgard.com. There's all types of configurations, styles, sizes, helps you select your windows, as well as a dealer locator, so it tells you who can install and who can get you your product.
Very nice. Well, Ted, thank you so much for talking with us.
Thanks, Vanessa.
And this has been Vanessa at Bilgeroo TV, and thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Vanessa. Good job.
Yeah.